guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn or Evelyn RT. If it looks horrible, I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, so yeah, it's 10 o'clock at night and we're gonna go pick up my truck. Finally, after like who knows how long it's been. It's been what, a couple months, no?
A month and a half? Maybe
yeah,
2 months?
It's been a couple months and it's fully wrapped. This is gonna be the first time well, not the first time. I've seen the wrap once, but I haven't seen it out either, like, well, yeah, I haven't seen it on the truck, but I haven't seen it in the sun, and I'm still not gonna see it in the So anyway, we got it done like just in time. Tomorrow is the truck show, the first truck show of the year here in Colorado because of the whole quarantine thing. So yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along and you guys are gonna see my reaction and well, I'll say that later because I'm not sure yet. So yeah, if I look ugly, I'm sorry. I literally just got out of the shower and we've been getting everything ready for tomorrow's truck show. So yeah, stay tuned for my new wrap. Anything you would like to add on?
I'm low-key excited about this stuff too because I don't know. I work. I guess I'm excited because I worked on that truck too. So like I'm ready to see how my work and my Opa's work is gonna turn out to be. So
if it turns out ugly, you guys will not see this. It's like, no, but I think it's gonna turn out good. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Anyway, so we'll be there in like 10 minutes. So see you guys over there.
oh, and we here.
I don't wanna look.
Oh,
Wait, I'm over here. I don't wanna look and I'm looking.
oh,
Is it right there?
Oh,
Stop, because you're gonna wanna make me look.
oh, I just peeked at it.
Am I gonna cry?
Oh, probably. Let's go. Come on.
I don't wanna look.
Ah. Yeah. Oh.
It gets lighter in the sun, I promise. It looks more greenish in this kind of light.
I gotta record it.
See how much more chrome it is?
Yes.
It's like way more reflective than the last one. Nice. Good work. Good film.
Super enough.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas voces que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel.
So I am wearing my seatbelt, but my thing is just going to keep beeping. It always does that. Anyway, so the color on camera looks exactly the same as the other color I had, the other chrome. But in person, oh my god, it looks like a freaking mirror. It looks amazing. I love it. I don't know, it looks more greenish, more turquoise. I really don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna try to get some pictures of it and put them in here so you guys can see like the actual color, which honestly I doubt you guys will be able to tell. You guys are gonna be like, what's the whole hype about? It looks the same, but in person I swear it does not look the same. It looks like a whole new different truck, and I love it. I'm obsessed. So tomorrow we have a show, and I will so tomorrow we have a show, and I'll definitely be vlogging there. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm so happy, you guys. I feel like you guys can hear it in my tone, my voice, my smile, everything. So yes, tomorrow we do have a show, a truck show. I hate how it hits. So I'm just gonna vlog there. I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna leave it at this right now. We're still gonna go get everything ready. So yeah, see you guys over there. Alright guys, so it's literally, oh my god, that thing doesn't shut up. And look, I'm wearing my seatbelt. It's 4:45 in the morning, and I'm all ready. We are all ready. I'm just gonna go pick up my friend, and then from there we're gonna pick up my friend, and then from there we're going to head out to meet up with the crew, and then from there the event. So yeah, and the only reason why we leave so freaking early is because the lines get so bad, like really bad. But yeah, I'll see you guys over there. They're in action. All right guys, so an hour later, and we just got here. I'm putting on my VIP bracelet. It's like, no, I can't even say those type of things, because then they're gonna be like, she thinks she's the shit and blah blah. They're stuck. But I sold tickets for the event, so I got a VIP bracelet, whatever that means. Anyway, so yeah, an hour later we're here. I freaking love her recording. Oh shit, sorry. And we were the first ones, huh? Yeah, look. If I flip it, does it? Oh, what the hell? How do you zoom in again? I forgot. Yeah. See, they're barely like starting to go in. So they were like first. It's focusing on the genie. Well, anyways, yeah, we're first. I'm so scared that my wrap is gonna fuck up. Oh my god, it's pura tierra, huh? Yeah, and it's son las piedritas. Yeah, watch. Oh, me showing the floor. That's literally anyway, the whole so on our way over here, like, I tried going slow, but the little piedritas are obviously gonna be jumping up. Yeah, you could just hear like the little. Yeah. Me trying to demonstrate. I know. But yeah, we're about to go in. Alright guys, we're finally here. Oh, we already said that, huh? Yeah. We're like both matching. Yeah, we're actually inside, and then say hi. The tent. So this is Blaze right here. Look, there's two chrome trucks in Blaze. It's not focusing. Why isn't it focusing? There we go, it's focused. And then I was about to be like, my truck's over there, but they hella blocked it.
Te lo has puesto así.
Like that? Facing that way?
Facing that way. Okay. Hey, chill out.
our guys. Base concept, you know.
I don't know how to park.
Vecino?
She sucks at parking, guys, but
Like this.
clean ass truck right there.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head into the pit for a little bit. No, I'm not gonna go sideways. I'm not gonna go sideways or burn out. We're just gonna go in there. We're gonna go throw some shirts, so yes! No que shy? All these shirts. Chill out! So we can go all the way around. Alright, go. Is there more? Yeah. A ver, model it.
How's your face looking?
Beautiful. It's so black.
Yo? Oh, you can't even see shit. Aquí andamos at Taquachaland. A quick little update.
I want to go home. I'm tired. And
Yeah, there's like, it's windy, my eyes hurt, there's a lot of debris and dirt. Our truck's dirty.
Good thing I didn't wash it though.
Yeah, so I told you, it's like, don't wash it because it's gonna be worthless.
I told you that.
No, you didn't. No, you did not tell me that. Anyways, popped the tire. I went around her truck. You guys are gonna see the video. It's gonna be like period. What time are we leaving? So we're probably just gonna.
What time is it? It's 2:46.
So yeah.
Oh my god, look at my face. Look on camera. Oh my god. This is definitely not the move. Let me hold one here. Thanks. Should I just take my whole freaking makeup off? I think I'm just in my eyebrows. Oh, wait. Oh, I haven't fucked up my eyebrows too. Should I leave my eyebrows? My lashes are just not it anymore. My eyebrows are blue. Look how freaking black. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna take off the line. It feels so good. Yes. I told you, watching me take off my makeup. It's so black. Oh my goodness. Pero aquí andamos en los pinches truck shows. Oh. I'm honestly so tired. Like, I just need a freaking nap. I need a power nap. Con el calorón, con toda la tierra. Oh my god. Bitch, I think mine's blacker. Oh my god. Yeah. For you? Yeah, it's turning so bad. first time driving one? Chill, I'd be scared. Oh, this is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna leave the vlog here because we're so tired. We left and it's barely 6. The show was not done until midnight, but the dirt, my eyes were just not doing well. They burned so bad, and honestly I was just tired in general. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next video.